Troops of Border Security Force Meghalaya on the 28th of April 2022 seized 125 kg of human hair meant to be smuggled to Bangladesh from international border of East Khasi Hills, Meghalaya. Smuggled human hair is being used in Bangladesh for making wigs for domestic use as well as for export purpose. BSF Meghalaya seized a total of 225 kg of human hair since January 2022. BSF Meghalaya had also rescued 73 cattle from groups of miscreants attempting to smuggle them to Bangladesh through the international border of East Jantia Hills. A total of 450 cattle have been seized in the month of April 2022. Owing to increasing smuggling attempt, the BSF has kept a vigilant eye on the international border to strengthen national security as well as to prevent all kinds of trans-border crimes and illegal activities.